we start things with a drink. And that's why my master mixologist, Tyrone Benjamin, is always here, ready and waiting.
Hello, Joe. How are we doing?
I good. How are you doing?
Good, brother.
What are we drinking this morning?
We're doing something called the Godfather, right? Since it's Father's Day and the Father's Month, right? Did a little research and I came up with the Godfather. And I know a lot of fathers would appreciate this drink. It's a simple drink. It's made with amaretto and scotch originally, but I must add a little more to the mix.
You must add the Tyrone twist.
Yes.
You must add the Tyrone
right?
twist.
So let's get into it.
Let's get cracking.
We have a nice scotch here, and I'm gonna mix this drink straight into the glass, all right? So we're going into a nice hefty pour, 2 ounces.
Yeah.
So Joe, this is actually amaretto, but homemade amaretto. Right. Amaretto essence essentially is made of almonds, right? So there are popular brands out there like the Serrano, stuff like that.
Right.
But this one decided to take the amaretto, which is the almonds, and extract it with some sugar, right? And this actually has a bit of vanilla in it. So slight twist.
Slight
right?
twist.
But this is a delicious.
Sweet.
Yeah. It's a delicious flavor. Ladies love it with an amaretto sour, which is vodka, amaretto, and some lime.
Nice.
And it's a delicious drink, right?
Yeah.
But this one here is just to break off some of the sweetness into the cocktail, because normally, men, especially long ago, would drink more straight. Right? But this one is a little twist just to add a little flavor and a little sweetness. To take off the little bite, right? And this essentially here with some ice is called the Godfather.
That's as simple as that.
Yeah, as simple as that, right?
You can mix one of that for me after. I want to try that after,
But you might like it with this twist.
Right? Okay.
So
I see you mixing straight in the glass.
Yeah, it's a simple drink over the rocks.
It's in the glass, okay.
Yeah, right?
Cool.
But a twist that we have here is, this is absinthe, all right? And
I'm present.
After you drink this by yourself, you might be absent.
So what is that?
All right. So this as well, this is a wormwood liqueur, right? You find wormwood in bitters and certain liqueurs as well, right? But this actually has a tendency to make you hallucinate if you drink too much. Right?
You go ahead.
Right? So I'm gonna just add 2 dashes.
So Tyrone, why are you putting it in the drink if there's a tendency to hallucinate?
No, this is what you do, like if you go to a party and you really want to turn up the party, you take a shot of this.
Yeah, but we're in lockdown time. There's no reason for us to go to any party
you
right
can
now.
turn it up home. Right? So I'm gonna add some ice. It's a nice color. So adding some ice directly to the glass, and we're gonna stir. When I first started to stir, Joe, I remember this. It was so tricky. I'm doing it kind of easy now, but it's a little trick in it because I used to watch the mixologist training, and he make it look easy. But when you try it, it's more than what it looks like.
Right.
Because you have to hold it like this and put your 2 fingers here. So what you're doing, you're pushing with this finger and then you pull it back with this finger.
Right.
But all while you're keeping the back of the spoon rolling around the glass.
Oh.
Yeah? Some mixologists stir with 2 spoons, 2 drinks at the same time. It's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
All right. So we have it nice chilled, diluted, and add a little more ice. Because I love ice in my drinks. Right.
Especially when it have absinthe.
Absinthe.
When it have absinthe. With plenty
we want to try and be present still.
I want to dilute that absinthe as much as possible. More amaretto?
No, this one is a nice splash of ginger ale.
Oh.
Right, so give it a little bubbly.
Right.
And actually gives it a nice spicy ginger note as well, all right? Joe, that's it. Simple garnish now. We have some simple dehydrated limes. And I'm gonna attach it to the edge of the glass. Lovely. Joe, and we're gonna stick with this name one because I love this name.
Godfather.
Godfather. Yes.
Godfather.
But with a little Trini twist.
Yeah, cheers, my brother. This drink looks like a nice, hearty drink, man.
What do you think?
I think we need to end the show, right? Because after drinking, I have Chef Miles coming.
Chef Miles.
You know Chef Miles, right?
Yeah, I think she would appreciate these kind of things.
It's actually World Sushi Day we're celebrating this weekend.
Oh, excellent.
And Miles is here. But this is a fantastic way to celebrate World Sushi Day.
She would love this.
With the
She would
Godfather.
appreciate this.
Oh my goodness. Try this one. Very, very simple. Nice to do. I want to thank Tyrone Benjamin, our master mixologist, sharing some fantastic drinks with us as we celebrate dads, fun food fathers, and the Godfather of drinks.